I'm Dr. Deepti Durga Jain. I'm a consultant obstetrician and gynecologist practicing in Vaishali. During that 9-month period of when the baby is inside the mother's womb, there is stretching of all the ligaments, all the skin and the other muscles of the body in the abdomen in the mother. After the delivery of the baby, uterus shrinks to normal size within 2 to 3 weeks of the delivery, but for the skin, muscle and the ligaments to retain its normal shape, to gain its normal texture, it takes almost 6 months to 9 months to go back to the normal contour. After 3 to 4 weeks of delivery, we can go for exercises. Patient can start yoga, and obviously breastfeeding is also one of the very good method of reducing weight, by which we can lose the abdominal belly weight also. It takes almost 8 months to 1 year for the mother to get back into normal shape, and the shape of the belly is to be maintained. No, actually not. Dieting should not be done by the mothers because they are breastfeeding after delivery. So whatever the diet crash they will do for themselves will affect the breast milk which is to be given to the baby. And that nutrition which all you will not be taking because of the diet crash, that will affect the baby's health. So actually the dieting should not be done. You should take a balanced, controlled, healthy diet, but not the dieting. Not fasting should not be done. For the post-pregnancy belly, you can go for yoga, you can go for aerobics, then you can go for gymming, in which you can do abdominal exercises, which is to be started only after 1 to 1.5 months of the delivery, not to be started earlier. So the take-home message for today is that all the postpartum mothers should start regular exercises, abdominal exercises, breathing exercises, as well as yoga, meditation, and the breastfeeding is also very important. And these all key things can lead to loss of the abdominal belly fat.